Imagine waking up each morning with a renewed sense of purpose, invigorated by words that spark your spirit. Inspirational quotes act as gentle nudges, guiding us toward positivity and encouraging us to chase our dreams. They are like beacons of light that illuminate our path, reminding us of the tenacity of the human spirit. In the midst of challenges, a powerful quote can provide a much-needed boost. Consider the words that champion resilience. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. This sentiment, fostering courage, pushes us to cast aside our fears and seize the opportunities awaiting us. Just as a flower blooms despite the harshest conditions, we too have the strength to thrive against the odds when inspired by such wisdom. As you step out into the world, let quotes be your companions, wrapping you in their comforting embrace. A gentle reminder such as, "Believe you can and you're halfway there," encourages you to harness your self-belief, a vital key to unlocking the door to success. Picture yourself taking that bold leap toward your ambitions, empowered by the knowledge that you are indeed capable of achieving greatness. Throughout the day, when doubt begins to creep in or fatigue sets your mind adrift, recall the mantra, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." And this perspective transforms setbacks into valuable experiences, allowing you to learn and grow stronger. The transformative power of such insights can shift your mindset from one of despair to one of hope. Moreover, embrace the beauty of teamwork and collaboration with the quote, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." Visualize yourself standing shoulder to shoulder with others, crafting a beautiful symphony of efforts that can leave an indelible mark on your journey. Together we weave a tapestry of dreams fulfilled, hopes realized, and lives touched. Finally, let the day close with gratitude and reflection. Remember, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. As you lay your head down, may these words linger in your heart, igniting the fire within you for another vibrant day ahead. As you rise, carry these quotes as your armor, ready to face whatever comes your way.